Dependable service. Dependableservice.com.
Hello everyone, Joe Anderson with Dependable Service back again in the office. We're going to talk a little bit today about toilets, our favorite thing to talk about. So first and foremost, I just want to let you know that we are a one-stop shop, not just for buying toilets or putting toilets in that you get, but offering complete rebuilds and fixing your toilet that's broken, okay? So it doesn't have to cost a lot of money. When you call us, we can give you options depending on what's going on with that toilet. Could be a fill valve, could be a flush valve, it could be a crack in the bowl and the thing just needs to be replaced. What we want to do is let you know that we are professionals and we do know how to install and replace any parts needed. Nowadays, every toilet's pretty much a 1.6 gallon flush, so it's important that you're buying a proper toilet that when you're using that little bit of water, it's actually flushing out what's in that commode efficiently and you're not having backups occur. So when you need something, you call the professionals here at Dependable Service. Hardworking and honest, our name is our promise. Dependable Service.
Dependableservice.com.